World Cup starts today, so let's find out which country has the best uniforms.
Okay, looking at these, I'm biased. Mexico.
Mexico.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I should have known. I should have known. All right.
So the best uniform, definitely Mexico. Let's go.
Mexico. Okay, number 2 for Mexico. All right. All right. And are they going to win today? What's the final score going to be?
It's going to be 10-0.
10-0. Okay.
Mexico. Let's go.
Diaz 0.
10-0. Sure.
Sure.
The best uniforms es la selección de México.
Mexico.
Mex-
Okay, I'm starting to notice a trend here. All right. Are they going to win today?
Yes, I'm win 3 Mexico, 1 Africa.
Okay. 3-1. All right. That's a little more realistic than the last one. All right. Viva Mexico.
Yeah, viva México.
Brazil.
Brazil.
Yep.
Okay, you're the first person to not say Mexico.
Okay.
Even though you're wearing the Mexico jersey, that's okay. Is Ireland in the World Cup this year?
They are not, unfortunately.
Ay ay ay. Oh well. Okay. Better luck next year or next 4 years.
4 years,
Yes.
correct.
Okay.
Yep.
All right.
Okay, this is a very tough question. Mexico, of course.
Ay ay ay. Oh my God. I should have known. But you're wearing a hat that has the United States and Ireland on it. What?
Supporting.
So you're world nations. Okay, you went over here. All right, another from Mexico. Should have known.
Mexico.
One, right? Okay, I'm gonna say. France.
Viva la France.
Ray likes the Croatian uniform.
Ooh, a little deviation from the trend here. Even though he's got the Mexico uniform
I
on.
got the Mexico uniform on, and I know Rory promised if Mexico makes it to the final, we're taking the day off.
No,
Watch the game.
not true. They have to work harder if Mexico wins. Okay, that's what's going to happen.
Oh, yeah, of course. And my favorite one, the green one, Mexico.
Should have known.
Mexico.
But I feel like there's a but here.
And United States too.
Okay, there we go. First one for the U.S. All right, split. You know, here we are. We're in San Diego. We're right on the border there. Okay, so who's going to win the game today?
Mexico.
Of course. What's the final score going to be?
2-1.
2-1. Okay, we're getting more and more realistic with every passing moment here. Very good. All right. Thanks, Liz. Yeah. Viva Mexico. Okay, what's your favorite?
My favorite is Mexico.
Okay. But
I like it, Argentina.
Argentina. Do you like Messi? Of course. He's the best. He's the best. We all love Messi. How could you not love Messi? He's the best. Thanks, Carmen.
Mexico.
Shocker. All right, Ricky. Do I even have to ask?
Nope. Mexico.
Viva Mexico. All right. All right. All right, Junior. Best uniform goes to
Mexico.
Viva Mexico. Okay, are they gonna win today?
Hopefully.
Hopefully. Okay. Hope's not a plan, guys. All right. Best World Cup uniform goes to
Mexico.
But do you have like a second best, second
No,
favorite?
no.
No, not even gonna go there. Okay. All right. Fair enough. All right. Thank you.
What is your favorite?
Favorite World Cup uniform?
What is your favorite goal uniform?
Yeah. Copa Mundial.
Copa Mundial. Okay.
¿Cuál es su favorita?
¿Cuál es su favorita de la Copa Mundial?
Which one?
Which one? This.
This?
Uh-huh.
Saudi Arabia? No. Oh, Saudi Arabia. You meant Mexico.
Yeah.
Okay, you got confused. Okay, but you deep down like Saudi Arabia.
It's the same.
Yeah, I know it does look the same. Okay. All right. Well, I'm going to put that half for Saudi Arabia, half for Mexico.
Yeah.
All right, thanks. Tell me who has the best World Cup uniform this year?
The best World Cup uniform this year is Mexico.
Mexico, didn't even think about it. All right. Do you have a second favorite?
Let's see. I really like. Let's see. I like the Jamaica one.
Ooh, I like the Jamaica one too. Cool run-ins.
Nice.
Yeah. Right on.
Yes.
Thanks, Jessica.
You're welcome.
So who has the best World Cup uniform this year?
To me, Germany.
Germany. Why do you like Germany?
Well, I like the colors, and I like the everything that looks perfect.
The design, yeah.
The design.
Deutschland. All right. First Germany. Okay. Giving the Germans some love. I like that. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
All right. So who has the best World Cup uniform this year?
I think USA.
USA. But I see you're wearing the Mexico jersey. Are they going to win today?
Yeah.
What's going to be the final score of the game?
I think in a 4-0.
4-0. Okay, I like that. That's a dominating win over the South Africans. Thank you. All right. Best World Cup uniforms 2026. Go.
Mexico.
Oh, shocker. Okay, gotcha. Mexico. All right, there you have it. Overwhelming support for Mexico as the best uniform, but my personal favorite, Stars and Stripes, Old Glory, USA, baby. Let's go get it on our home turf. Woo!